Need to know what processor powers your laptop? Whether you're checking system requirements for a new game, troubleshooting performance issues, or simply curious about your hardware, I'll show you 3 quick and easy methods to find your CPU details. First up, we have the System Information tool, a built-in Windows utility that shows comprehensive system details. Click the Start button or press the Windows key on your keyboard. Type System Information into the search bar and click on the app when it appears. Once the System Information window opens, you'll see a detailed summary of your computer. Look for the line labeled Processor, typically located near the top of the system summary. Here you'll find complete processor information, the manufacturer like Intel or AMD, the specific model number, clock speed in gigahertz, and the number of cores. The second method uses command prompt. This is my favorite because it's incredibly fast and gives you precise information. To open command prompt, press Windows key plus R together, type CMD and hit enter. Alternatively, you can search for command prompt in the Start menu. Now, in the command prompt window, type this command exactly as shown. Then press enter. Your processor name will appear instantly below the command. Want more detailed specifications? Use this extended command instead. Press enter and you'll see 3 columns. Your processor name, the number of physical cores, and the maximum clock speed in megahertz. This gives you all the essential CPU information in one quick view. Here's the fastest method if you need just the basic processor information. Right-click on the Start button and select System from the menu. Under the Device Specifications section, you'll see your processor listed right there. This method is perfect for a quick reference without typing any commands or opening additional tools. Now you know 3 different ways to check your laptop processor. See you in the next video.